Welcome, this is IBDP AAHL time zone 2, paper 2 of question number 4, May-June 2022. This is a box and whisker plot. He's asking a random sample of 9 adults was selected to see whether the sleeping well affected the reaction times. So this is for sleeping well, the first one, and the second one not sleeping well. State the median reaction time for the sleeping well. So the median is going to be this number. So you can calculate that it's going to be 0.28. Verify that the measurement 0.46 is not an outlier. For an outlier, Q3 plus 1.5 times of IQR. So Q3 is, the value of Q3 is going to be 0.35 plus 1.5 times of IQR. IQR is Q3 minus Q1, which is 0.35 minus 0.27. Simplify that, you should be getting 0.46. We see that 0.46 is less than 0.47, so therefore it is not an outlier. Next, state why it appears that the mean reaction time is greater than the median reaction time, because we can see that median is very close to lower quartile, is close to Q1. Comment on whether these box and whisker plot provide any evidence. No, because the sample size is too small. Sample size is too small to conclude. Next, question number 5. Determine the velocity, the particle changes its direction of motion. So what am I going to do? I am going to graph it, this velocity graph, and when will be the changing in the direction of motion? When velocity should be equals to 0. So find the roots. When you find the roots, you are going to get that answer as 1.5707, approximately 3 significant figures, 1.7. Find the times when the acceleration of the particle is 1.9. So for part B, draw the graph for derivative function. Draw the graph for derivative function, then graph for y equals to minus 1.9 and find it out the points of intersection. You can see that the points of intersection will be at 2.2627 and 2.9573. 3 significant figures, 2.26 and 2.96. Then part C, find the particle's acceleration when the speed is at its greatest. Now first of all, graph the velocity graph and find the maximum point, and it occurs at t equals to 3. Now draw the derivative graph and trace it for t equals to 3. You should be able to get that answer as, when you draw that each one, minus 1.84. That's going to be the answer.